welcome back to my channel. So this is the day 6 of my 30-day speaking challenge, and today I am going to show you everything that how I practice English with myself alone at home. Okay, so Kavya, don't do this. You can see guys, this is my daughter and she is my partner. Yes, I always try to speak with her in English. I know very well she cannot give me answer right now, but still I practice with her. I always try to speak with her some sentences like Kavya, go there, don't go, I'll help you, I help you, and you know, I try to describe the things which she don't know, and I always try to describe the things in English so that she have just knowledge about this particular things. Okay, so you can see she's just pretending she's talking to someone on the phone. With whom are you talking? Who is on the phone? Who is on the phone? Okay, talk to daddy. Say hello daddy. Hello daddy. Daddy. Yeah. Say hello daddy. Okay guys, so in this way I practice with her every day. Okay, so just stay tuned with me and I'll show you everything in this video. Okay, Kavya, where is your tummy? Where is your tummy? Show me your tummy. Okay. So the next thing I did, I read book in the afternoon because I often get some free time in the afternoon because my baby usually sleeps at that time. And you know, the book name is Atomic Habit, and it's really helpful for me because when I started my journey that time I was struggling with inculcate some new habit, but after reading this book I got to know many idea like how you can inculcate new habit in your life and how you can stuck with one single habit for a long time. Because earlier, you know, when I started that time, I started a new habit and then after 2-3 days I left it. So after reading this book I got to know how I can stuck for a long time, and it's really helpful for me. And it book has almost 300 pages and I have already finished 150. And you know, there are many sentences I cannot properly understand. I cannot easily understand, they are very difficult, but I try to read at least 2 to 3 times so that I can understand easily. After reading my book, I also took some rest with my baby, and then I get out of my bed almost 3 o'clock, and then I went to the kitchen and I drank a glass of water. After that I started my listening practice, and you know, I chose native speakers videos because I really like their conversation. So in that video there were a mother and a daughter, they were communicating with each other, and I really like their conversation because you know, they are talking about some daily routine, and along with that I also wrote some useful sentences that I feel yes I can use in my daily life. Let me show you guys what did I watch, and it's really helpful.
First. So this is called a chef's plate bag. There's all kinds of companies like this here where they send you pre-packaged ingredients and you cook the recipe yourself at home. We've just been trying these out lately because there's been a lot of good deals, a lot of good promotions. So we'll see what we've got today, huh? Let's see what's in the bag. Oh, we need to wash our hands first. Let's wash our hands. Do that first. Should I wash my hands first or you? Me. You first? Okay. Alright, come on, buddy. Wash your hands. Other one? Grandma? So before we cook, we want to roll up our sleeves. I did. I rolled them up already. Okay. All right. Let's see what's in the bag. You look. Yeah. So this is the recipe.
So guys, here are my notebook that I have made from most of the videos, and you know, whenever I felt like I forgot some word, so I just check it out and I recall it. So I think that's enough for today, and in this way it helps me a lot. So if you like this video, please like it and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.